Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Akko keyboard. Akko keyboards provide flexible ways to connect to your devices, whether you prefer a direct cable, a speedy wireless dongle, or convenient Bluetooth. Before starting any wireless setup, always make sure your keyboard's battery is sufficiently charged. This ensures a smooth and uninterrupted connection process, letting you get to typing without any hitches. For the most reliable and straightforward connection, a wired setup is ideal. Simply take the USB-C to USB-A cable that came with your keyboard. Insert the smaller USB-C end into the keyboard's port and the standard USB-A end into an available port on your computer. For certain Akko models, you might need to press the function key along with the U key to ensure it switches into wired mode. It's a quick and easy way to get started. To enjoy a fast, low-latency wireless experience, use the 2.4 GHz connection. First, plug the small USB receiver dongle into an open USB port on your computer or device. Next, on your Akko keyboard, press the function key and the Y key simultaneously. The light beneath the Y key will begin to flash slowly, indicating it is searching for the dongle. Once connected, the light will turn off, confirming a successful pairing. For ultimate flexibility, Bluetooth connectivity allows you to pair with multiple devices. Begin by ensuring the power switch on the back of your keyboard is in the on position. Then, long press the function key along with E, R, or T for about 3 seconds to initiate Bluetooth pairing. The corresponding key's blue LED will flash rapidly. On your device, search for and select either Akko BT 3.0 or Akko 5.0. Your keyboard can remember up to 3 different Bluetooth connections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.